Hello, this is an introduction to your Graduation Alliance supplied Chromebook. When you receive the device, it will come in a box similar to this, though it may not be identical. Opening up the box, we'll find a laptop sleeve containing all of our equipment, as well as a charger for the Chromebook. Taking a closer look at the laptop sleeve, inside the main compartment, we will find our Chromebook. And in the front pocket, we will find a mobile hotspot. Please note that if you receive a device with built-in mobile connectivity, you will not receive a hotspot, as well as a charging cable for the hotspot. The sleeve does have multiple pockets that your equipment could be in. Opening up the Chromebook, we will find an introductory slip of paper that includes some important information. It will have some important reminders, login information, care and return instructions, as well as contact for additional support. You'll also find a red FedEx return label. Please hang on to this. You will need this when you graduate from our program to return your equipment. Powering on the device should be as simple as opening up the device. However, if it does not automatically power on, you will need to click the power button up here in the top right. On some devices, the power button will be on the side, such as this one here. Powering on the hotspot should be as simple as pressing and holding the power button here. If the device does not power on, you can plug the charging cable into the Chromebook, then into the device, after which it will show that it is charging. You can then press and hold the power button, and the device will power on. Some devices may have the power button on the front, such as this one here, and here. In order to charge the Chromebook, we can start by making sure the wall adapter is plugged firmly into the power brick. We can then plug it into a wall outlet, then plug the USB-C firmly into the Chromebook, after which the charging light will illuminate. Some Chromebooks may have charging ports on both sides. Once we're on the Chromebook, this is what we will see. You'll see that this device is equipped with mobile connectivity. However, for the example today, we're going to connect to the mobile hotspot. When you power on the hotspot, it should connect automatically. However, today I will type in the password as an example. I'll show a couple examples of where to find the password now. Once the password is typed in, we can go ahead and click connect. Please keep in mind that the mobile data, both built-in and standalone, is a limited resource. Please use home Wi-Fi or school Wi-Fi whenever possible. Once you're connected to the internet, you will see the login screen as shown here. This is where you'll enter your Grad Ally email as outlined in the welcome slip. I'm just going to use an example student today, but yours will be your first name dot last name at gradally.com. Your password for your first sign-in will be changeme25. After your first time sign-on, it will ask you to set a new, more secure password. Keep in mind, this is something that you will use when you sign on every day, so please make sure it's something you remember. It will ask you to agree to the usage agreement. After signing into the Chromebook, we'll land on the desktop. To navigate to the Graduation Alliance website, we can start by opening Chrome. It should take you right to app.gradally.com, the Graduation Alliance website. If it does not, please type in app.gradally.com up in the URL bar. If you're using a Graduation Alliance device, you can click directly on the Sign In with Google button and it will sign you in. If you do not have a Graduation Alliance device, then you can enter your email here. The email will be whichever email you use to sign up with the program. I'm just going to use our example student email for today. Your first time signing in, your password will be changeme25. After signing into the website, it will ask you to make a new password. The current password is going to be that temporary changeme25 password that we used to log in. And then your new password will be a password that you use to sign in every day. So make sure you use something that you can remember. And then we will need to go through the welcome policy here. Go ahead and accept all of these. We will then need to complete our welcome information. For this example, I'm not going to fill this out as this is just a test account, but you will need to fill this out for your student account. All right, and with that, you are fully logged into the portal. You'll be able to complete your coursework. Thank you.